Coffee. Rented a bike from the hotel. This is my new whip for the day. Pretty slick. Oh yeah, sick wheels. Now we gotta get gas and then go for something to eat. Vanessa's starving. Starting to get a little bit owly. Aren't ya? Found this little shop called Happy Time Restaurant. And now we're gonna try and get some pancakes or some waffles or something. Vanessa just pointed this out. Bacon. Chicken. I have definitely never heard of chicken bacon before. Are you gonna get some chicken bacon?
I don't know.
Chicken bacon. Omelet, chicken, cheese. Boom. Done. Look at that big smile. A little bit of food and just a whole different person. Bam. It didn't look like it was enough, so I'm getting some toast. Bam. We got a scooter just to go around Koh Lanta. We have no idea where we're gonna go. See where the road takes us. So Vanessa and I were gonna stop at this cave that we saw on the side of the road. Had no intentions until we pulled in, kind of thing. We saw it, but it's 300 baht per person, which is $12, which is extremely expensive just to go into a cave. But on the better side, I found some roosters for you guys. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, buck, buck. Now that we're done hanging out with the roosters, we are headed to a waterfall, hopefully. We'll see if we get detoured again. Naturally, we got detoured. We were driving along the coast and it just looks so beautiful. How do you not stop? I think if he gets a little bit of water,
Then he'll be fine?
then he'll be fine. Let's see if we can get him alive. Free Willy! Oh. I'll tip him right side up. Is he alive?
I don't know.
He doesn't look very alive.
He's sleeping. Let's leave him be.
We decided he was just sleeping, so we'll just leave him in the water and walk away. Gross. Those poor elephants. For those of you that don't know, riding elephants is actually really hard on them. It wears it with their backs because they're not horses, they're not designed for it. So the weight of the carriage or the passengers on the back makes a big dip in their back. It's terrible for them, so I don't recommend it. No, and that's the other thing.
You go so slow.
It's very slow. When I was a kid, I went on an elephant at the circus or the fair or something. And you just walk. Like, it's not a fast ride, it's not enjoyable. But as I was saying, we got a short walk, 10 or 15 minutes this way towards the waterfall. No peeing. Well, we made it to the waterfall. Isn't it beautiful? So majestic. I'm just joshing you guys. The waterfall's this way. You gotta admit, I got you though. I got you guys. Because of vlogging, I tend to be a little bit slower than Vanessa. So I always end up doing these walks by myself. She's always way ahead of me. Just waiting. What a patient lady. I might just keep her around. Is this the waterfall, guys?
Sick of these big-
Sick of you. I'm just kidding, I'm not sick of you.
All she needs is someone to hold on. Someone to hold on. Someone to hold on.
So Vanessa had a spider crawl on her, so we had to leave immediately. She's already up ahead.
It was like the size of your bracelet.
It was a big spider, so that's fair. And if you guys are wondering what the cord is hanging out of my backpack, it's because my battery almost died. So I decided to use my battery pack, my power pack. We were gonna go back the other way, the way that everybody else came from, but it looks like everybody was getting their feet wet, so with my shoes and Vanessa's shoes, we can't really afford that. Monkeys around here. Look how cute he is. So cute. There's no picture. Not a picture, but... Oh, they're so cute. There's so many of them. They're so cute. Planet of the Apes started this way, guys. We gotta be careful. Oh, pretty down the way. Got back to our sick whip. It's time to grab some food and then maybe tour around and find some beaches. I did say beaches. That's what it's supposed to look like. We're getting the fried noodle.
With chicken.
And we stopped at a little restaurant. Super cheap food. Amazing watermelon slushy. And what's cool about this place is he actually has like a little book for all the tourists to sign. So maybe I'll get invited to sign it. So Vanessa and I were not invited to sign in his book, but he did give us this little piece of paper. Basically just says that.
Thank you.
Yeah, it basically just says thank you, and they want us to have a happy life together. She's so hardcore. Biker Chicks 2017.
It's the only way the helmet stays on.
Hell's Angels. Legit. What's your gang sign?
Like that.
Ever sick? He's actually such a friendly guy. Now, we gotta go lay down. We're both pretty tired. Come on, biker girl. Hop on. Alright. To the right? Nap time. And the nap turned into some editing and uploading, so it took a lot longer than expected.
Now it's dark.
And now it's dark, yeah. So we're headed grocery shopping. I'm getting some peanut butter and a loaf of bread. I'm so sick of not having whole wheat bread. Oh, we are sick of not having whole wheat bread and peanut butter. So we're back to the grocery store. And we got our loaf of bread and our peanut butter. And we're just gonna grab a Thai pancake or something to eat and then head home. So see you guys tomorrow. Vanessa, the trees are turning red. It means we're close to a water source.
Actually?
No, I have no idea.